Hello.
Happy Hiking Friday.
It is day 2
of Joshua Tree
National Park, and today
we are doing the Fortynine Palms Oasis hike.
This is a 3 mile?
Yeah, 3 mile hike,
636 feet, something like that.
Yeah, should be some definitely different terrain than what you saw last week.
Yeah.
So exciting for that. Another beautiful day.
Oh,
let's do it.
And half a mile later, we have made it to the trailhead, and we're going up.
350 feet in elevation, and then we drop down 300.
And then we do it all on the way back. Fall. All right, hiking through this dirt and rock, rubble, boulders, and then all of a sudden, on the side of a mountain, we see palm trees, and lots of palm trees.
It's so, like, where'd they come from? Why are they here? So cool.
I mean, we're in the bottom of a wash between ginormous canyons, so I can see there's water in the bottom. So, but so random.
So beautiful. Although there's no water here right now, but
nope, it's all underground. But amazing.
It's so worth the hike to get here. We are headed back and onto our next adventure. So don't click off this video yet. Keep on.
Let's fast forward to the back to the car.
I did 4.6 miles, 794 feet in elevation gain. Woo!
Nice.
And it was so worth it, like so unexpected. I mean, we knew there was an oasis, but not knowing what to expect.
Yeah.
Super cool. So if you're in the area, definitely come check it out. Come early because it's super populated. I mean, we are here on a Friday, but all right, we are on to our next adventure. So let's get moving.
Okay.
All right. Don't you click off.
All right, we have made it to Split Rock Trail. It's a 2.4 miles.
We're doing a loop-de-loop.
Yep.
About 270 feet elevation gain, so should be pretty good. This one is very popular.
Yep, the parking lot is full. So,
Let's go.
okay.
Oh, gotta get the hamstring. Make sure you extend it all the way.
That was synchronized.
Okay. Shit.
When you cramp when you're trying to stretch. Cool cave, man.
Oh, it's scary on there. Warm rock.
You just named the rock.
There you go. And if you like that thumb, make sure you give this video a thumbs up.
Okay, that was good.
That was a good one, huh? Check this out. It's like a kind of quartz or something kind of vein that just goes right up the mountain. There's another one over here. Isn't that crazy? Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah! Ah! Go! Run for it! Okay. Oh! Okay. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry.
Strong man?
Everybody's safe. Don't worry. What a desolate place this is.
What?
Where are you going?
Oh, wrong way, wrong road?
It's much too rocky.
Oh.
This way's better. What do you think this gentleman's that way?
Don't get technical with me. Go that way. You'll be malfunctioning within a day, you nearsighted scrap pile.
Oh, we've lost it today. We've lost it. Oh my God. Guess we saved all of our freaking one-liners for this trail. What are you doing? Think that's Maurice's freaking bench or what?
Come on, I
Quartz veins bench?
Note to self, split rock. Rocks. that is our time at Split Rock. We did 2.2 mile loop, 223
feet.
in elevation. So tough. Actually, that
It was tough.
After hiking 3 hikes in the last day and a half, it was pretty challenging because we're tired.
Yep.
But
Yep. What a beautiful area. These rocks
so
were
pretty.
amazing. Wow.
Wow.
And now,
We have more. Don't
on to the
click
next.
off.
On to the next. Let's go.
We're gonna go see some more rocks. But these ones?
Rock overload today. Let's go.
We are at the Cholla Cactus Garden, and this is where you can walk around, and the most perfect time to go to this place is either sunrise or sunset, because the Cholla cactuses, when the light hits them just right, they look like they're all fuzzy and furry and friendly, but they're really spiky and dangerous.
Don't touch.
So don't touch them. But we're gonna go take some pictures and some videos.
Whoa, the sun went quick.
Oh my gosh, it went down so fast. I think we were out here for like 5 minutes, and all of a sudden it was like,
We're like,
crunch time.
camera, let's go.
It is so worth it to come out here at sunset, or what they call golden hour.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, there is nothing like
I think we're lost now.
the sea of glowing cactus.
Magical.
Cacti. Oh,
Like what I said.
it was so pretty.
All right, time to get out of here. We're done. You guys can click off here in a second. But what
We
a
had
day.
an amazing day at Joshua Tree, day 2. I highly recommend, if you are going to come here, take a couple days to come here, because there's no way you can see everything. If you want to do hikes and stuff like that, it definitely takes more than 1 day. So
Yeah.
plan your trip
Amazing.
wisely, and hopefully you enjoy this Joshua Tree series.
Yeah.
We got some more stuff coming up from Palm Springs and beyond.
Salton Sea tomorrow, which is next week for you, but stay tuned. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Leave us a comment, see what you like, see what you hate, whatever. We're out of here. We're going to get some biz.
Yeah. Well, thanks for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye. So, we are on to our next adventure. So
Let's do that.
Let's yeah, I know.
We're here, man.
Hi, you're really close.
You're still in front of the shot. Hey.
I moved out of the shot.
Very tricky. You know what is tricky? Trying to get nobody else, all these million people in the shot. So if you
Oh.
think that's freaking pretty awesome, give it a thumbs up, everybody. Wow. Snake.
What?
Speaking of thumbs up. Wow. That's a good job. Oh, I gotta get oh. Live oak. There it is. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
All right, we're at Skull Rock, the main tourist attraction in Joshua Tree Park. So we're probably not going to film a lot because there's an S-ton of people here. So we're going to go check it out.
Just in and out. Just in and out.
And then go back to the car.
I'll put a blurry thing over your crossroad region.